beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So once again, today you have a party with my team. Welcome. Niajeni wazee wangu, karibuni sana kwa my channel Khay once again. So today is just a different video. I thank you video for everything, your support, your viewing, your liking, your comments since from day one, and I'm so happy and grateful for the support. So I'm just happy since I got monetized because of you appreciating the work that I've been doing, and I can say many thank you. Peace out.
My name is Daniel Winter. I want to take this opportunity to thank all of you for your support to our brother here, Khay. I know God has His purpose into your life and Him too. Thank you for subscribing, liking, and following up. Thank you all of you.
Yo, mambo vipi? Ni Evanso Claiver. Yeah, guys, mimi appreciate tu sana kusupport ndugu yangu pale Khay YouTube. Na mimi kitu naomba tu muendelee kumsupport, msiachie hapo hivyo. Nenda YouTube account yake, search Khay, view video zake, like, comment, share. Na kitu ya maana usisahau kusubscribe kwa channel yake. Tuendelee hivyo hivyo. Nashukuru.